Paul O'Grady might not be bringing Lily Savage around much anymore, but he's finally going to be welcoming some drag queens on Blind Date this weekend. And not a moment too soon, the pioneering drag performer will at least be bringing back Lily's leopard print coat as he invites criminologist Luke to interview 3 lovely singletons for a date, all of whom happen to be drag queens. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Contestants Cheyenne O'Shea, Anaphylactic and Trampagne. The 3 queens to be featured on this Saturday's episode will be Cheyenne O'Shea from Essex, Trampagne from Portsmouth and the brilliantly named Anaphylactic from Manchester. I'm so happy that we have included drag queens on this series of Blind Date. It's about time. It is 2018 after all, Paul O'Grady said in a statement today, July 26. Having been a drag artiste myself, I'm very proud to be part of this Blind Date. First, which of these 3 drag queens has the charisma, uniqueness, nerve and talent to shantae and stay with criminologist Luke for a blind date, and which 2 will have to sashay away? You'll have to tune in this weekend to find out. Hunty, the Channel 5 reboot of the classic dating show, is coming off a few very memorable episodes, in which Paul O'Grady uncovered a cheating scandal, highlighted a pair of truly mind-blowing socks and dealt a twist that was not unlike Love Island. Blind Date airs Saturday, July 28 at 8 p.m. on Channel 5. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.